Many applications involving percents involve finding a percent of some base number, typically a percent of some number. Just remember in math, of means multiplication. So for the first one, we're trying to find 25% of 60. So what we're going to do is we can't work with percentages in math. All percentages need to be converted to a decimal. So 25% is going to turn into 0.25. And we're going to multiply because it says of 60. So 25% of 60 is 0.25 times 60, which is going to end up giving you 15. So 25% of 60 is 15. Next, Shauna received a raise, so now her salary is 105% of her old salary. Find her new salary if the old salary was $36,000 per year. So we are going to try and find 105% of her old salary. So again, we can't use 105%. We're going to convert it to a decimal. So we're going to get 1.05. And so 105% of her salary, so 1.05 times her old salary, so 36,000. So 1.05 times 36,000. And when we do that, we're going to end up getting 37,800. And since we're talking about a salary, we use a dollar sign to indicate that it is money that we're dealing with. Next, a suit that costs $140 is discounted by 30%. So how much is the discount? So we're going to try to find 30% of 140. So again, we can't work with percentages, so we're going to call it 0.30. And since it's of 140, we're going to multiply it by 140. So 30 times 140 is going to end up giving us 42. So how much is the discount? The discount is $42. Lastly is a little bit weird because it's going to go in a different order. So Jamie paid $5.95 in sales tax on a textbook that cost $85. Find the percent of the sales tax. So normally we would find the percent of 85 and it will give us our $5.95. This time we are given the result and we know the cost of the book. We got to find the percent. So when you're dealing with sales tax, we're going to do the sales tax divided by the amount paid. So it's a little bit different. This is division this time, but nothing we can't handle. So 5.95 divided by 85. And when we do the division, we are going to get 0.07. But it wants the percent of the sales tax, so we want the percent. So we got to take our decimal and we're going to convert it to a percent. So I'm just going to move the decimal place over 2 spots. And we have a sales tax of 7%.